Look at the students today. We will study how to identify direct object, indirect object, subject complement, object complement. Clear? So here I painted the garage last Saturday. Direct object is the garage. Clear? Look at me. Stop writing. Stop writing, please. Stop writing. For example, this is the duster. Look at the duster. Take it. Look at the example. Teacher gave duster to Sam. Action of giving is, look at the board, look at the board. Action of giving is directly affecting duster. The moment I pick the duster, clear? Action of giving started. So it means action of giving is directly affecting the duster. Then I gave it to Sam. Then it is indirectly affecting Sam. So action of giving is directly affecting duster, indirectly affecting Sam. Clear? Who the action of giving, action of painting is directly affecting? Who the action of painting is directly affecting? The garage. The garage. Clear? So that's the reason the garage is what? Direct object. Action of painting is directly affecting the garage. The garage is direct object. She is nervous. She is nervous. Now answer is already there. Subject complement. Nervous is a subject complement. The problem is we will have to find why it is a subject complement. Why nervous is a subject complement? What is the subject, by the way? Who will tell me? One by one. Speak one by one.
She.
What is the subject? Well done. She. She is the subject. But is the verb? Is. If I say she is, does it complete the sense?
No.
It does not. Until and unless I write nervous. Clear? So nervous is completing the subject she. That's the reason nervous is subject complement. Nervous is subject complement. Next one. Mother looks very angry. Mother looks very angry. Clear? So he says angry is subject complement. My question is why angry is subject complement?
Because you didn't ever describe the subject of the argument.
Because
Describe.
easy understanding. Because it is completing the subject mother. Mother is the subject. Looks is the verb. Very is the adverb. And this is SC. Angry is subject complement because it is completing the subject mother. That's the reason angry is subject complement. Look at the board, please. Don't shift your gazes from the board. Don't shift your eyes from the board. If you start looking this way, that way, your attention is distracted. Never ever divide the attention. You'll get the best understanding. Be focused, be attentive. Ahmed left a message for me. Now he says, me is indirect object. Clear? I-O. Message is direct object. Clear? Why? Why me is indirect object? Why me is indirect object? the teacher or a teacher left a message for me. Again, I am giving you the example. Look at me. Look at me. This guy says a teacher left a message for me. This is the message, okay? So action of leaving is directly affecting who? Message. Clear? Action of leaving is directly affecting a message. That's the reason a message is direct object and it is indirectly affecting who? Me. That's the reason me is indirect object. Next one. The result made him happy. Clear? Now he says happy is object complement OC. Clear? Him is direct object. Why? I need you people to clear your why. Why it is so. While you are staying in my class, have I invited you on the breakfast? No? Why you are sitting in my class? To study mathematics? To study mathematics? Why you are sitting in my class? To study English. Clear? Know your why is clear. So clear your why in the sentences. Clear your why in the sentences. What is the result?
Subject.
What is made? Verb. What is him?
Direct
object. What is direct object? What is direct object? Because action of making is what is the first form of made? That is make. And what is the ing form of make? Making. Clear? So action of making is directly affecting
him.
That is the reason him is what?
Direct object.
Direct object. Clear? And if I say the result made him, does it complete the sentence? Does it make a complete sense? It does not. Clear? Until and unless I write
Happy.
Clear? So happy is completing who? Who the happy is completing? Happy is completing object him. Clear? That's the reason happy is object complement. That is the reason happy is object complement. Clear? What's the time right now? Anybody who's got a wristwatch, let me know please. What the time is? You have got a wristwatch, let me know the time. Not working? Just a symbol? Nobody has got the wristwatch. Next one, let me explain this, She bought her mother a beautiful dress. What is she?
Subject.
Bought. Wow. Her mother?
Indirect.
I-O. A beautiful dress?
Direct object.
Why? Why a beautiful dress is direct object? Again, explain in my way. Action of buying. Explain your reason in my way. Action of buying is directly affecting
the buyer.
Directly affecting a dress, a beautiful dress. Clear? Action of buying is directly affecting a beautiful dress. So action of buying started the moment she bought her dress. Clear? And then it affected her mother. That's the reason her mother is indirect. Next one. Uncle Rashid ate his lunch in silence. Now he says his lunch is direct object. Why? Why it's a direct object? Why it's a direct object? Because
directly affecting the
who is directly affected?
consumption.
Who is directly affecting? What is the first form of ate? Eat. What is the ing form of eat?
Eating.
Eating. So action of eating is directly affecting his lunch. Clear? Next one, Abdul called his cousin a fool. Clear? Now he says his cousin is indirect object. Clear? Why? Action of calling is indirectly affecting his cousin. And his cousin is I-O. Indirect object. So which one is completing this one? Which one is completing this one? His cousin.
A fool.
A fool. A fool is completing his cousin. Clear? That's the reason a fool is object complement. Because it is completing the object. Next one. The girl considered the first man her helper. Why the first man? Action of considering is directly affecting the first man. Clear? The first man is direct object. And it is completing the object. That the reason her helper is object completed. Next one, the little tomatoes were ripe. The little tomatoes. What is the little tomatoes? What is the little tomatoes? Subject. What is the word? Verb. What is right? Completing the subject, tomatoes. That's the reason right is SC. Subject complement. Clear? Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Tell them and complete your assignments. Be ready. Any day I may stop this and start listening from you your assignments. Whatever the assignments I sent, maybe on Thursday or Friday, I don't remember. But that assignment will be checked, listened, and in written form there will be a test. Be ready. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Allah.